everybody, this is Bronislava. I have a blog, HandMadeRukodelky. The link is below the video and you can go and find plenty of different projects and free patterns in there, as well as patterns that you can purchase to support me. Today I will be talking about this yarn. Okay, this is a cotton yarn that is made by Cotton Kings, and this particular yarn is called Sultan Deluxe. Okay, it is a nice and soft yarn. It does have this sticker, and so when I will start working, I don't have to fish for it on the inside. I'll just start working on my project. So, like I said, this yarn is nice and soft. I really love it to the touch. It's a number 2 fine yarn. It's like a sock yarn, so you can go and use it for anything you want. You can go and make it socks out of it. You can go and make an outfit of it. You can also knit or crochet with it, because especially for crochet it's fairly thin, so the outfit is not gonna be so chunky like if you would go and have a thicker cotton yarn. This OEKO-TEX, I think, stands that you can use it for children. I'm not really sure yet. I have to go and make a research about it, but I think that's what it is. Okay. So now it's 100% cotton, and it has 250 grams. It weighs, okay, and approximately 1,000 meters, which translates to 8.8 ounces and 1,093 yards. Now, if you want to go and work with this yarn on needles, you would go and use needles 2.5 to 3.5 millimeters, which is US size 2 to 4, 2, 3, 4, okay? If you want to crochet, the manufacturer suggests 3.5 millimeters to 4 millimeters. I will be using it on my project, and I will be actually using smaller hook, but you can adjust your needles and hooks according to what you're looking for in your project. Okay. Let me talk a little bit about how to clean this yarn. So, like I said, it's number 2 or fine, or also sock yarn weight. Okay. The very first symbol means that you can wash it in the washing machine, and there are 2 little lines. So I think that means that it has to be on a gentle cycle. Okay. And it has to be cold or cool temperature, 30 degrees Celsius, which is about 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The triangle over here means that you cannot bleach. You cannot use bleach. Okay, you cannot bleach it. So no bleach. And then the square over here means that that's dryer. It says no drying in a dryer and no ironing. So all my things that I make, you know, that I knit or crochet, my outfits, even socks, I dry, you know, flat. So what I usually do is that I go and I smooth my outfits really nicely on the bed, and I don't need to go and use any, you know, ironing or anything, and it even doesn't want you to iron it. Okay. And this circle is for dry cleaning, So you just would go and take it, if you want, if you don't want to wash your outfits, you can take it to the dry cleaner and they will go and dry clean it, but you need to go and tell them that it's a P, which I think stands for trichloroethylene. I think it's like really, you would have to go and see what P stands for online, but I think that's what it is. And so you would really want to let them know that they cannot go and use just any you know, that it's limited what they can go and clean it with in dry cleaners. And the color is number 22. Oops, it's sticky. Which this color means that it's variegated and it's yellow and it's just absolutely beautiful color. I love it. Great for summer. I actually love it so much that I ordered 2 other colors and they are on the way. I'm gonna go and get more. And both colors are actually blue, so I cannot wait when I get those 2, because I had to actually make another order, which I got it from Hobbii. I made this from Hobbii. I had to make an order because I was working on another project with a different cotton yarn, and let me show it to you. I have it right here. It's also Cotton Kings and it's Sultan, but it is not deluxe. Okay, it's not deluxe because I think it's not twisted like this one is. Okay, so this one is gonna be much easier to work with because I will not be poking it with my hook. And if you would be knitting, you would not be poking into it with the needles as well. When I was working with this, I was actually poking into it, so I had to sometimes take my stitch out and redo it again. So, but I had to order another one of these because I was working on a different project. And let me go and show it to you. I don't want to show it to you too much because this is this is project for someone. But look at this beautiful variegated white and all the way to the black. It's really beautiful. So I love it. It's this. I mean, you know, this. This is made from this one, except it's white to black variegated. But I will have a video of this project, so watch for it. And I still need to finish this project. I am missing my yarn. Look. I still have to go and finish it. So this is what I am working on these days. I am doing more crochet. So I think that's about it. Oh, I wanted to say also that it's twisted better. You know, this one is not twisted. You see? This one is twisted, so it's gonna be easier to work with this one. All right, and it's soft. Both are soft. This one seems a little tiny bit softer though, but very, very tiny bit. It's not as noticeable because they're both soft. So this would be great for children as well, I think, you know, for outfits for children. I hope that you liked my video. Don't forget to share my video, comment. I always love when people comment. And you will see me another time.